Hi, in this video we're going to show you a nice little free tool you could use to show your files, folders, and even websites down by your system tray if you want to have a shortcut for them there. So it's called Tray Dir or Tray Directory. So one thing you're going to notice when you download it is that Chrome is going to try and block it. Edge will not. So I'm not sure why they're trying to block it, but it seems to be okay, but you could always, scan it for yourself before you install it. So once you install it, you will have this empty window here with a new instance. And you could have multiple instances. And then here we have options for a new file. So let's say I wanted quick access to a certain file here. Let's just say this PDF. You could change the name if you want. Let's call this contract. Then you also have some options here to use the folder as a shortcut or hide it from the system tray menu. And then we could add a folder if we want. So let's say we wanted our documents, the whole folder. We'll leave the display name blank here so we can show you what it does by default. Then you have some new plugin items. So there is a way to search for plugins. I have not tried this, so you could try this out if you want to see what those do. You could even do a new virtual folder, a website. Let's just do a website here. So you have to put the HTTP or the HTTPS for the website to work. Like so. And then you could do a separator too. So let's put something under there. I'll do another folder, for example. We'll do our pictures folder. And this time we'll call it pictures just to see what it does there. Okay, so once you make your instance, you have to save it. Or you could save as. And if you want to change the name, I'll just save it with the default name here. And then here you can move your items up and down if you want, or edit or delete them. All right, so now that we have it set up, if we go down to the system tray, we have this new icon here called a new instance. Okay, so if we want to change it, we could go up to instance and edit name. We'll just call this default. So now when we go down here, we have default. Okay, so when you right click on your instance, now you can see we have the items here. We could open up that file right from here. Like that. Get to our documents and all our subfolders and open up anything from there. Go to the website we configured. Go to our pictures folder. You can see it kept the correct name. And then exit. And let's say we wanted a new instance here. We'll just put a number 2 just to make it easy here. Let's add a picture here. And a folder. Let's do the whole C drive. And we'll do a new virtual folder here. And now when we highlight new virtual folder, let's say we want to put another website in here. And let's say we wanted to put a file in here as well. So you could use these virtual folders just to kind of keep things organized that are not actual folders on your computer here. So let's save this. All right, so now when we go back, you can see we have our new instance called 2 and our default. So we right click this. We have our new virtual folder with our website and files, our whole C drive, and then the image that we added separately. Then when you go up here, click on Explore, you could explore the items you have in there. You could rebuild your instances, plugins, some settings. You also have an options button down here, which is different than the settings. So run as administrator, show file extensions, open files and explore when checked, expand first path, hide from tray. If you want to change the icon here, Just put something like that just for fun. Let's save it. You can see we have it down here. You can't really see it that well, but just a way if you want to change it to a different icon if you have multiple instances. All right, so you can see it's pretty basic, yet pretty effective. So if you want to have a quick menu down here to access some commonly used items without having stuff on your taskbar, you could try this out. All right, so I will put a link in the description where you can download Tray Directory and you can try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.